Hi friends, today we're going to learn some colors that go along with our hexagon shape. This is a hexagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6 sides, hexagon. This color is red. This is yellow, blue, green, and orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors for our hexagon shape.